Hello everyone, welcome to our daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Yesterday we saw Nifty going up 66 points. It has stopped the past 2 days losing streak and it ended up in high. And it was mainly due to the efforts taken by Reliance to shoot up, and it gained close to 4% yesterday. And we can see some positive global cues with some good corporate results which propel the index to move up. We saw, apart from Reliance, we saw some contribution from Hindustan Unilever, Bajaj Finance yesterday, and there was some not that much great performance from Bharti Airtel, L&T, HDFC Bank mainly, ITC and ONGC yesterday in the market we have seen. So coming to the main part of what FIS did was, yesterday we can see it was a 944 crore purchase been done by FIS, and DA sold close to 707 crores. The main part we saw in yesterday's, as you are seeing in the graph now, it is the consolidation. We were discussing consolidation for the past couple of days, and we were telling there will be a chance of high consolidation happening because of the open interest we are seeing in the options data. Close to 5 hours we were seeing Nifty was trading in a range bound, and that too with 60 points, and it was like a time where we can just put everything and we go off and mind some other work. But suddenly after 2 p.m. we saw a sudden movement, and yesterday also we alerted that there is a chance of a sudden up move also. We alerted as per that we can see up move suddenly after the 2 p.m. and we were seeing market going up and closing at 66 points. So where does this lead for the trade setup today? Last week that expiry was in positive, and how this week's expiry will be, let's focus on that. So we are seeing SGS Nifty today with a 20 point minor gap, a small down we're showing. That is mainly due to the global indexes are mixed, that is US index were closed with the mixed. But apart from Japan, other Asian markets are on leave due to the lunar holidays. So we need to wait and watch for what will be the reaction. Major reaction today will be driven mainly on the results oriented area only. Apart from that, there is no much global cues are there. So the trade setup still buy on dips is been remaining. We can see we are clearly telling this buy on dips for a quite long time, and those who have really utilized this dips, utilize this as a swing trading, and you could have made some good profits. So every day we are seeing Nifty some rotational happening, sector rotations happening. This pointer also we highlighted sector rotations. Apart from previously it was pharma, now we saw banking and finance, then we saw IT coming up. So sector rotations, Nifty is not going down, so that itself a clear indication we are seeing today. And moreover we are seeing that 15,000 mark is getting defended, and we were stressing on this point also. 15,000 relies a main psychological point for the downside. If it is getting broken down, it can go down, or if 15,256 is breaking up, we can see some more upward positive movement, and we can see some more positive movement coming in a day or two. The reason is that Bank Nifty was consolidating and it was in a 900 points range bound, and it is showing a minor breakout in the upside. So if Bank Nifty is breaking out, we can see some more positive movement for the Nifty also. But one main thing, the levels you need to watch out for this week is for this weekly expiry will be 15,000 as the first support, and 15,256 will be the first resistance. Either side, if there's a breakout, we can see some drastic movements happening in the market. If it is getting broken down for 15,256, we can see it goes to 15,500 and upper levels. And if it is breaking down 15,000, we can see some 14,850 and 14,500 levels on this index. So putting that on point, and I just want to mention on the call options data, that is option data which is happening. We can see highest number of put writing is happening in 15,000 strike price, 15,100 and 14,900. Call writing is happening around 15,200, 15,800 and 16,200. That's the reason you can see the call writing and put writing are just near. That's the reason we are telling on consolidation part. Okay, and main important point to note is that there is an index called as volatility index, and yesterday if you have seen that volatility index have fell close to 3.4%. From 23.95 it came down to 23.4. This indicates that the volatility is less, and there will be more buying comes. If the volatility index is going towards the 21 levels, we can see the market still further go up high. So you can also have an eye on this particular index, volatility index. So what leads to us to the daily resistance and support levels will be the support level is not getting changed for the past 3 days. We can see the 14,977 is the support level which is maintained, and the resistance level for the day will be around 15,256 for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty 35,400, and the resistance level for Bank Nifty will be 36,200. So important events and data, the results which came yesterday will be the events. ITC had a decent set of results. Power Grid, ACC, Oil India have reported higher consolidated profit. Ashok Leyland reported a loss. Beta and Prestige Estates also reported a lower consolidated profit. So we need to keep these stocks for the reaction part today. And coming to the results for the day, we are coming to the last fag end of the result season. So today close to 953 companies are releasing the results, Q3 results. So we need to look out for Grasim Industries, Bharat Forge, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Advanced Enzymes. We can see Apollo Hospital, Bharat Dynamics, Cochin Shipyard, Dilip Bilcoin, and we can see India Bulls Housing Finance, Inox Wind, Nalco, Voltas. Apart from the 953 stocks are getting releasing their Q3 results. So what are the important stocks to watch out for the day? Infosys, Sun Pharma, Power Grid, ITC, and Grasims. Infosys mainly on that interaction had with CNBC. The chief officer Salil Parekh was informing that Infosys can see some good profits, good numbers, good deal wins can be happening in the coming years. This thing can continue. So that is showing as a positive news. And Sun Pharma, the SEBI, that news would have been seen. SEBI has put some issues, and that has been sorted out by the promoters. So we can see that stock going a little bit advantage for stock. Power Grid based on the results, ITC on the results, and Grasim on the results which is coming today. So stay tuned for us video. Subscribe our channel. Also subscribe our Telegram channel. Have a great day. Thank you.